Alright, so now that I've showed you where you can actually use Mad Adder from and where you can actually go and find ads and save ads, let me show you where do all those ads go. So all you're literally going to do is you're going to click on the Mad Adder extension at the top in your browser, and then you're going to see right here in the Mad Adder screen pop-up, you're going to see where it says My Collected Ads. So you just click on that. Okay? So once you just click on that, it actually opens up the Mad Adder screen, and here are all your ads. So you can see here are all your ads. Here's the page. If you click on this, it will actually just open up that Facebook page if you want to go creep on that Facebook page. Okay? So you can just open that up, click on that Facebook page. We'll show you the images, the headline of the ad. Here you'll find the actual description. What was the copy and the content in the ad? Over here you're going to find why are you seeing this ad? So here you're going to see why are you seeing this ad, what were they targeting, what were essentially whatever public information Facebook will give you about the targeting of that ad, you're going to see right here, okay? The link to the ad, where were they sending people to the ad, so you can actually find out the congruency between the ad and the image on the ad and the headline and the copy of the ad and the destination where they're taking you. So you can actually look at the two things and you can begin to look like, okay, hey, how are they running the ad? Who are they targeting? What type of image are they actually using? What headlines are they using? What copy are they using? And then whenever somebody clicks, what does that look like? What is that destination page? How actual congruent are those things? Because in marketing, it's very important that whatever copy and stuff that you're using in your ad, that you're also congruent in the destination. For example, if you're running an ad and in your ad you're calling out, let's say, marketers, so you have copy that's talking to marketers, but then whenever they click on your link and they go to your landing page, you have copy that's talking to freelancers, there's no congruency there, and the people who end up clicking your ad are marketers because you've used copy and call to actions for marketers inside your ad, and whenever they click on the link and they go to your destination, then you're talking to freelancers there. The marketers are dropping off because they're like, I'm not a freelancer, I'm not really interested in this, okay? So we give you that destination link, so you can click on that destination link and you can see, okay, that the ad is one part of everything, but the ad takes you somewhere, and that's where the actual conversions and everything are also actually happening. So you can go in and actually look at that, and you can't just. So this allows you not just to only look at the ad and only focus on the ad, but focus on the actual whole experience so you can model that and actually recreate that. All right. You'll also see the number of comments that were on that actual ad. You'll see the number of shares, how many people shared that ad. You'll see the reaction count and what type of reaction. I can see this one had 12 likes, 1 heart, and one happy face, 1 laughing face, and you can see the oldest comment range, okay? So again, here's another one, that one from Elementor that we saved. Here's all the information. Here's the ad copy. Here is the targeting. Here's the link where the ad was actually going to, the destination link, if you want to actually check that out. And then you can actually see how many comments were there, 188. How many shares were there? There were 59 shares. What was the reaction? There were 7,000 likes. There were 610 hearts, 149 ha-has, 41 some hugging a heart shit, 21 guy with his mouth wide open, 14 people crying, and 5 people angry. And what was the oldest comment? 8 weeks old. So you know that this ad has been running for at least 8 weeks. So it's probably working for them. It's probably converting for them, because usually marketers are not going to run an ad more than 1 week or 2 weeks if it's not actually working. So if it's not actually working, if it's not getting the results that they want, they're not going to keep running it for 8 weeks because they're just losing money. All right. So this ad, the oldest comment is 8 weeks. So we know they've been running that ad for at least 8 weeks. So it's probably getting them the results that they want. It's probably profitable for them, is a good assumption. And then here's the ad that we actually added from the ads library. And you can see we don't have any information as far as the comments and the shares and the reactions and the oldest comment date, just because that information isn't there and isn't provided by Facebook. So here's your ads library. This is exactly where all your actual ads go, and in the next few training videos, I'll show you how to actually export this data, how to get it out of here, and how to use this data, and how to actually navigate your dashboard. But now you know where everything goes.